Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can view and manage friend requests on Discord. Let's begin. Once you've opened your Discord application, I want you to go over here on your settings profile, click on the gear icon, go to content and social. So for this option, you need to scroll down a bit and you will have your friend request settings in here. So by default, this will be all checked, but if you want to somehow be more private, you can disable some of these options. Like this is, we have everyone, friend of friends, and server members. So you can toggle in between, go back here if you would like to make any changes in the future. But by doing this, this gives you control who you can connect with and lets you accept or decline requests respectfully. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.